welcome to another short mindfulness exercise in which we are mindful of the body. We are going to do a seated twist in which we take one hand and put it on the opposite knee, and the other hand goes behind us, and we are going to inhale to lengthen the spine and then exhale to twist. And as we twist, we are going to try and get the chin as close to the shoulder as possible. But part of mindfulness is being non-judgmental. So we're noticing how we're able to twist. And if we're not able to get the chin as close, super close to the shoulder, it's totally fine. We're just being aware of it and practicing self-compassion. So we will do one where we inhale to lengthen the spine, exhale to twist.